Hi. Okay, we're gonna do a Christmas look with this palette by ColourPop. It's called Meant to Be. Here are the colors. Nice and pretty greens. So we're going, I have a little bit of makeup, as you can see, already on. We're gonna add to that. So we're gonna start with a good base. I'm just gonna use the Magic Eraser concealer. So I'm gonna put that on. Put that all the way around the eye. Okay, so we got that down. We're gonna put some translucent powder. Use the handy dandy e.l.f. And what this does is that it just really helps the colors glide on, so that they don't skip. And then it sets that concealer down. Now, the color that we're going to start with is going to be, it's called Get Fresh. So it's gonna be that color. Which is a really light green color. I think it's going to be a really good transition color. The snow has stopped and things are finally melting and falling off the roof. So we have that transition down. We're gonna deepen it up with this color. Just building up that color in the crease. I actually have a holiday party to go to. So it's very fitting to be working on an eye look. It's really nice to be able to go back to some in-person events, you know? Okay, so I would say the transition is nice and blown out. Now we're gonna go in and do our detail work. So with this little bit smaller brush, we're gonna go in with this color right here called Chill Factor. We're just gonna concentrate on the edge right here. Just kind of packing that color on the outer parts. And then we'll go back in with a fluffy brush and blend that out. But really just want to get quite a bit of color packed on. I usually don't do my eyes first, but with this palette I really want to I want it to be pretty dramatic, so I'm okay with not worrying about the fallout. So now we're gonna go back with this brush and kind of just buff that into our transition color. And then I will repeat that same process until I get the depth on the outside corners where I want it. Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. And then sometimes I'll use a more precise brush like this. And I'll even go in and really pack it on there. It's really on that outside edge, just to give it some depth. Because we're gonna go and put a shimmer, which will help blend all of this together. Going back with our, which I'm gonna dip into this color. I was watching The Voice, and there's one of my favorite songs. One of the girls did one of my songs, and now it's stuck in my head. Try not to sing it for you guys because I like to sing, but you don't. I better stick to doing makeup, is what I'm thinking. Another good way to check your makeup and see what it looks like is to look at it far away. And that will tell you kind of where you need to do some blending. So now I'm just kind of bringing what's left on my brush, just kind of bringing that over. And then for the shimmer, I think, let me see. Here's this color, which is kind of minty looking. And then I'm thinking that maybe this color, which they're kind of similar. So we'll go with the Freshman, is what that is. So using my finger, I'm gonna, ooh, yes. We are icy and nice and pigmented. Hello, pigment. This color is very, very buttery. Buttery soft. And then we'll just kind of blend the outside to the inside. From the outside to the inside. So I'm gonna take a little bit more of that chill factor. And we'll just kind of tap it. Tap, tap, tap. Just to darken that outside corner. Just another little trick I like to do. So now I'm going to finish the rest of my face, pop on some lashes, and I'll show you the finished look. Okay, so put lashes on, and I'm just gonna finish it with just a little bit of bronzer and a little bit of blush. And even though the eyes, sorry, that's loud. Even though the eyes are bold, I think I'm still gonna do a red lip. So I will finish getting dressed and show you with the outfit and red lips and hair and everything all together. I just got done filming this Christmas green eye makeup look. I'm going to a networking holiday event, so I wanted to do something bright and green and fun. So when I get my outfit together, I'll show you what it looks like all together. So this is the final look. I'm wearing like a kind of beige color dress. Excuse my bathroom, it's just kind of messy. But this is my hair. And yeah, I'm ready to go.